Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to add attachments to Google Calendar. Now, the first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Google Calendar mobile application, which of course I have done right here. Now, the next thing is how can you get the Google Calendar app? You can get it on Google Play Store or Apple Store, depending on the device that you use. To launch any of those applications, locate the search bar. In the search bar, type Google Calendar and follow through the on-screen instructions to install. After installing and downloading, it's going to take you right into your customized homepage. Signing up for Google Calendar or signing into Google Calendar is not much of a hassle, provided that your Google account is already set up in your phone. So once you do that, once you download and install, it's going to take you right into this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a couple of features to have an exciting time in Google Calendar. So now that we're here, let's quickly hop into today's text, and that is how to add attachments to Google Calendar. So for you to do that, you have to first create an event. And how to do that? At the bottom right corner of the screen, you're going to find the plus icon. Go ahead and click on the plus icon, and that's going to open up two options, which include tags and event. Now go ahead and click on event. Once you click on event, you can now add a title to your event. Let's say Thanksgiving. Let's say that's Thanksgiving, and then of course you check if you want to get the alarm all day by clicking on this toggle button, or you can just set the timing if you want to. You can check if it repeats. You can set this to recurring by clicking on does not repeat. You can change the time zone if you want to. You can add people to the schedule if you want to, add video conference if you want to, add location if you want to. And then the most important part is the attachment. So the last option right there is add attachment. Now click on add attachment to add whatever attachment you want to add to the schedule. So you can add the attachment from your drive, computers, shared with you, starred, and recent. So select any of them. Let's say recent. So here are things that are in your recent folder. Go ahead and select any. Let's say I want this picture, and I'm just going to click on that picture and click on select. That's it. The picture has been attached. That's pretty much how to add attachments to Google Calendar. You can go back to the tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.